Hello, welcome to a short tutorial on how to upload yield maps into Contour. Contour will accept yield maps from most manufacturers, so as long as you have yield mapping capabilities on your combine, it shouldn't matter on the make, model or age of your machine, Contour should accept its yield maps. A nice feature with the Contour upload is that it accepts yield maps from different combines. So if you have two combines working in the same field, it'll automatically stitch the two data sets together. You also have the ability to upload multiple farms at the same time. So if you have multiple farms in your Contour account, you can just upload them all at the same time. You can also upload multiple years. So if you have historic yield data sat on a USB stick somewhere, you can upload that all at the same time. And it's very much an upload and forget type process. So as soon as you start the upload in Contour, you can just walk away and let it do its thing. The first step is making sure that you have the cropping in for the relevant harvest years. Without that, you'll be unable to view your yield maps. So first of all, navigate to the cropping tab. And then if you expand the table view, view crop history, and then just make sure that you have the cropping in for the cropping years that you're about to upload. The beauty of the Contour upload is that no matter how many historical years you have in that file, it will upload and associate accordingly. Once you're happy with the cropping, navigate to the Maps Analysis tab. Within Maps Analysis, you have various imagery layers to select from. The one we're interested in is yield maps. So if you select yield maps, this will then take you to the yield maps window. As you can see, there are currently no yield maps for this farm, so we're required to upload yield maps to view them. So if you click Upload, and then select the Browse option, you'll then need to navigate to wherever you saved that file on your PC. So for this example, it's on my USB drive, and it's this CM1 file just here. One important note is that the file must be compressed, so it must display the little zip file to the left-hand side here. Once you're happy that's the case, click on it, click Open, and this will start the uploading process. There are three statuses when uploading files to Contour. First of all, uploading. Whilst uploading, you must remain on this page. The second page is processing. When we reach the processing stage, we can navigate away and leave it to it. And the final stage is completed. We'll run through the final two stages as they come up within this tutorial. As you can see, the status has now changed to processing. At this point, if you wish, you can navigate away from this page. The final stage is the file has completed its processing, and that is depicted by the green bar at the top here. So the yield maps now exist in Contour. Before navigating away from this page, you can check the status of all the fields within each file. So if you go to File Manager, you can then see the file here. So we've got the file name, we can then see there's 8 successful fields and 120 failed fields. We can look into that further by expanding this tab, and again we can then see more statuses. So again, we have the file name here, we have the harvest year, we have the status. If you hover over it, it gives you more details about that status, and then finally we have the field group. And as you scroll down, you'll see we can now reach the failed files. So again, we have the file name, the status, which is red X, and the reason to why that has failed. Failed file, not inside any farm boundary. So this has come up with this status because the field boundary does not exist within Contour. This may be that you have a different account for this field group. The field exists within the Contour account. You can use the same file and upload it in the same method. Once you've gone through this list, you can simply close this window through the X, and this will navigate you back to the Maps Analysis screen. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any further questions, please contact your Riser account manager.